All right, ladies and gents, I'm just here to talk to you about how to use JamBoard. I'm not sure if any of you used it last year during 6th grade. If you did, this might just be a little bit of a refresher course, but I want to make sure that you understand how to complete your work for today with your group. So for starters, you're going to work as a table group, which I'm sure our guest teacher has already explained. Table 1 is going to be Owen's table. Table 2 is Caden's table. Table 3 is Mila's table. Table 4 is Maya Dunbar's table. Table 5 is Addison's table. And table 6 is Julia's table. All right, so the reason that knowing your table number is important is because your table number will correspond with what page you're using on JamBoard. So Owen and his group are going to be doing their work on page 1. Alexa and her group will simply click the button up here to get to page 6. Each group will work collaboratively on this. As you read What Makes a Nation and figure out what are some traits that all countries have, you're going to start to rank them. As it says on the slides, your top 4 are going to be in pink, your bottom 4 are going to be in blue, and the remaining will be in yellow. So the way that you add this to a post is right over here. We have the sticky note, and you type in what that trait of a country is. So for example, then when you're done, you click cancel. I'm not going to give you the answers here of what those traits of government are, or traits of a nation are. But as you go through, let's say you determine this one to be very important. You can click edit. You can change its color to pink, and pink will go on this side. If you determine one to be very unimportant, you can click edit and change it to blue, and the unimportance will go over here. The ones that you think belong in the middle will stay yellow, and you'll order them as such. So at the end, you should have 4 pinks, 4 blues, and at least 4 yellows. Be sure as a group that you're able to defend your selections, because we will debate this when everyone is finished.